her though.
Okay, Tyler. So we went out for like a week, and then
Okay, so you went out for a week.
we went out for like a week, and then he had this best friend Tristan, who was way hotter than him, and I used to like him a lot because Tristan was like better.
I'm not playing with you now.
Okay, lock the door. So then I really like Tristan, and I kind of went out with Tyler just because I really liked Tristan, and I got to hang out with Tristan because I was going out with Tyler. There's this girl Hannah. Of course, it's always the Hannah, right? So anyway, like, she was my best friend, but then she dropped her tray, and Tyler picked it up for her, and I was like, why would you do that? I was like yelling. I was like, you like my friend Hannah, and he's like, no, you like Tristan. And I was like, no, I don't. I like you. And he's like, you like Tristan, and I know it. And I was like, no, you're way cuter. And then I found out that, like, later, I looked, and he has, like, weird eyes, and I think he looks special, like, my boyfriend Tyler. I think he was, like, kind of, like, mentally retarded. No, but I'm not really sure. But he looks like it. Like, he kind of looks like... I don't know.
Was your special class?
No, he was in my class. Actually, he wasn't. He was never in my class. But he was in the class next door. With Hannah.
Well,